Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. This video will share programming using Flutter to create a simple counter value, and the value is created and displayed in different screen by using the screen navigator of Flutter. So let's get started. This application is run using Chrome web browser. So this is the first screen of the application. This is the app bar, and it has a title, app bar title, and this is a button. So this button, when being clicked, it will bring us to another screen in the same application. So let's click. So this is the screen when we click that button. So in this screen, we have a app bar also that can bring us back to the previous screen or to the home screen, such as clicking this button will bring us back to the home screen. Okay, so let's get back to the second screen, to the counter screen. And also, there is also another button down here that we can click to get us back to the home screen as well. Okay, so in this program, in this application, we have a counter value, and then we can increase and decrease the value of the counter value. And then we have an additional reset button here to reset the counter value back to 0. So initially, when we run the application, the counter value or the counter variable hold a value of 0. So let's do some increment on the counter value. And let's do some increment by clicking this button, while we can reset back any value, current value, back to the initial value, which is 0. And the idea behind this GUI or the user interface is we have a kind of container and rows. So this is made up by container and rows and column widget. So for example, in this screen, the first layer is the column, which is the white background that we can see here. On top of it, we have two containers. The first container contains the value of counter value, which is in the form of text. And the second container contains a row of buttons to increment, to decrement, and to reset the counter value. And also, inside the second container, we have also another button that can bring us back to the main page. So this is the basic idea on how we can navigate between one screen to another screen, or one UI to another UI by using Flutter apps. So let's get back to the home screen. So that's about it. Hope you can try on your own and have some fun in the programming.